Hi friends, today we've got something special, a live test of a Solana sniping tool. I've already made myself some coffee because trust me, it's going to get intense. In the next 5 to 7 minutes, I'll not only walk you through the interface and all the important tabs, but also launch a real trade, comment on every action, and explain why I personally like this platform. Let's go! If you're tired of being late to early listings and want to automate your entries, stick around. I'll activate the bot, configure a strategy, and show you how it automatically scans and executes trades. Even if you're a beginner, by the end of this video you'll clearly understand how it all works. First impressions. The interface is very user-friendly. Everything feels intuitive, from wallet connection to advanced parameter tweaks. I like the logic of the layout. Key features are right at your fingertips, while more complex settings are tucked away in advanced mode. Perfect both for newcomers and experienced traders. The site is clearly optimized for speed, quick buttons, concise statuses, and clear prompts, designed for people who value millisecond reactions. In short, professional look, and it instantly feels ready for real trading. All right, let's dive in. I've already connected my wallet, showing on screen. Next step, choosing the balance I'm willing to risk. For today's demo, I'm setting 0.5 Sol, reasonable for testing. Now I'll enable Auto Sniper mode and comment on each parameter as I go. Here are my settings. Slippage, 4%, enough to avoid failed orders during sudden moves. Take profit, plus 135%, a fair target for fast-moving launches. Stop loss, 25%, protecting capital. Gas priority, speed, high, because queue position makes all the difference. Anti-rug filter, on. It scans contracts for suspicious functions. Auto sell on pump, enabled. Bot will lock in profit once the target is hit. As you see me setting this up, here's the idea. These parameters combine aggressive entries with disciplined protection. The bot doesn't just shoot. At random tokens, it follows the filters and rules you define. Now I press Start Sniper. On screen, the bot is scanning new listings, checking liquidity pools, contract owners, and security metrics. I like this transparency. You can see every step, cancel manually, or just let the bot run fully autonomous. While the bot searches, let's check out the tabs. Dashboard, trade history, current positions, real-time P&L, market monitor, live feed of new listings and token stats. Plans are pricing, subscription tiers, from basic to PRO, extra speed, priority support, more bots running simultaneously. Referral hub where you generate your link, track signups and commissions. Great for creators and community leaders. Support Chalzen 24/7 live chat and ticket system. Handy if something goes wrong on a weekend, they promise round-the-clock help. Everything is logically structured, so finding your referral link, for example, is just a couple of clicks. Now let's leave the bot running while we take care of other things. I'll fast forward for you. results are impressive. So if you want to try automatic sniping on Solana, check the link in the description. I personally like the thoughtful interface, the referral opportunities, and the clean dashboard for trade control. It's definitely a tool worth testing, especially if you want to save time and be among the first on hot new listings. If this video was helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Coming up soon is a deep dive on optimal settings and a month-long performance breakdown. In the description, you'll also find a quick guide on how to start safely plus the site link. See you in the next video. Trade smart, stay safe.